Hello YouTube. I've got a 2006 Mini Cooper S, and today's job is to replace the failing hatch struts. What happens here is when you open the boot or the trunk lid or the hatch, whatever you want to call it, it doesn't hold the door up anymore, or the hatch up. So we've got a prop over there to keep it open, and we'll just replace this real quick. It's actually a very quick and simple job. You just need a flathead screwdriver. And what we'll do here is we'll put it up in the notch here and get this clip. You don't even actually have to remove it. You just have to have it kind of lifted out of place. And then you should just be able to tug on the prop rod here and pull it off. Once you have the clip pulled up, you can use a flathead screwdriver or pry tool and just gently pull the socket out. And from here, you repeat the process on the other side. So the brand we're using today is Stabilis, which is, these are made in Germany. I bought these from FCP Euro. Here's a part number. These are the original equipment manufacturer for the hatch struts on these Mini Coopers and a lot of BMW products. So here's the original Mini / BMW part. Stabilis Liftomat. Here's a replacement part from FCP. It just is missing the BMW stamp, but is otherwise identical. Installation is actually easier with a brand new part because all you have to do is line up the ball and socket and then push the socket towards the body. And then we repeat the same process on the hatch side. So we'll have to lift the hatch up to get the parts to line up. And boom, just like that, we have a hatch that supports itself. We've got the parcel shelf thing back into place, attached to its proper locations, and we'll give this a shot here. Works just like brand new. Anyway, nice quick video for you. If you like videos like this, please click the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Anyway, gotta get moving. Have a good day, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.